Partha from IT Roorkee, and we would be continuing discussing our top into 150 series of questions on Leetcode. So today we are going to discuss another question which is valid parenthesis. So let's go to this question and see what it states. So this question states that given a string as containing just the characters small bracket, opening small bracket, closing small bracket, opening curly braces, closing curly braces, opening big bracket and closing big bracket. Determine if the input string is valid. An input string is valid if open brackets must be closed by the same type of brackets. Open brackets must be closed in the correct order. Every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. Example number one is this is open bracket and this is closed by the same bracket. Then example number two is this is a small open bracket, this is closed by same, then this is open, then this is closed by same, and this is open and this is closed by same, so this is true. Now in third case, this is open by small bracket but closed by big bracket, so this doesn't match, so we'll return false. In this case, open by small, then open by big but closed by big, so this is a valid pair, and then closed by small, so this is also valid pair, so we'll return true. So S dot length can go from 1 to 10 to power 4, and S consists of parentheses only these. So this is the question. I hope you have understood the question. So let's go to the explanation part, how we are going to solve this. So in order to solve this, we will maintain a stack of characters. So initially, whenever we encounter any open bracket, whether it's a small, curly or big bracket, we'll push it into the stack, and if we find any closed bracket, then suppose if it is a, close bracket of small close bracket, then we will check on the top of stack. If on the top of stack there is a open small bracket, then this means that this will match with that open small bracket, so we'll just pop out that open bracket from the top of stack. Similarly, if there is a closing curly braces, then we'll check on the top of stack, and open curly braces should be present, otherwise we will return false. Same goes with the case of closing big bracket. On the top of stack there should already be open big bracket. If other than this any other character is present, then we return false. And after enumerating through this complete string, at last if our stack is empty, then we will return true, otherwise we will return false. Let's go to the code and see how we are going to implement it. So we are given this function bool is valid and string s is given as input. Then we are defining int n as s dot length, so n is the length of the string, and then we are defining our stack of characters st. Then we are going from I is equals to 0 to n, and we are checking if s of I is any of these open bracket, then we are just pushing it into our stack. Else it means that it is a closed bracket. So if stack is empty, then we will return false, because we need some bracket to for the corresponding close bracket, but there is no corresponding open bracket, so we'll just return false in this case. Now if si is close small bracket, then we will have to check if it has on the top open small bracket. If it is not there, then we will return false. Same goes for close curly bracket, and same goes for this should be, I think, close big bracket. Sorry, yeah, this is fine. So if we are in the else case, then it means that we have the closing big bracket, and on the st dot top it should have open close open big bracket. So in that case we will return false if it is not there, and then we will pop out the top element in the stack, and at last we'll check if s stack is empty, then we will return true, otherwise we will return false. So this is the code, and I hope you understood the code. Let's try to run it and see whether it's working fine or not. So it's working fine. Let's try to submit it as well. So yeah, it is getting accepted. So this solution is working fine. I will attach this code solution in the comment section of the video, and I will also attach this problem link and problem description in the description of the video. So like this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more such top into 150 series of questions on Leetcode.